So far, during the first 3 weeks of testimony, we've heard from 40 witnesses. Now, all of these are witnesses for the prosecution. But Karen Read's defense lawyers, they have treated many of these witnesses as if they were the ones on trial. During the first 3 weeks of testimony, the prosecution has often seemed more like the defense, and Karen Read's defense team has repeatedly gone on the attack.
This has turned into the defense of the Alberts.
Defense attorneys Alan Jackson and David Yannetti are often confrontational, trying to discredit witnesses and find contradictions in their testimonies.
Do you remember anything about this case?
That was an answer to a question that nobody asked you, correct?
Objection.
Sustained.
On the other hand, Assistant District Attorney Adam Lally rarely raises his voice.
The prosecutor here is very kind of methodical, workmanlike, put in the evidence one piece at a time, no drama, where the style of the defense counsel is exactly the opposite of that.
Lally repeatedly emphasizes two things. One, out of more than a dozen witnesses at 34 Fairview Road that night, none says they saw John O'Keefe come inside.
No, they never came into my home.
That undermines the defense theory that O'Keefe was killed during a fight in the basement by someone other than Read. Lally also emphasizes that it was a dark and stormy night.
It was definitely coming down.
The prosecution needs it to be dark to explain why no one leaving the house saw O'Keefe's body on the front yard. And it needs there to be a lot of snow to explain why when O'Keefe's body was found the next morning, no one saw pieces from Read's SUV taillight, which Lally says shattered when she backed into O'Keefe.
They seemed to find it hours and hours later when there was much more snow on the ground, right? So that dog doesn't hunt.
The prosecution has shown the broken cocktail glass that was found next to O'Keefe, but not a lot of other physical evidence so far. Prosecutors have another 47 witnesses on their list alone, and then the defense will start making its case. This trial could easily last into the summer.